Hi, Bob here at Master Auto Tech. In these uncertain times, I don't want what your experience is to be uncertain or unclear when you bring your car into Master Auto Tech. First of all, we'll be using the gloves, of course, to protect you from us and us from any germs you might have. We'll also be wiping down the vehicle with antiseptic wipes. So we'll be wiping off the door handles, inside and out, the buttons for the windows, steering wheel, shifter, and of course the key. Then of course we'll be placing our floor mat in there to protect your carpets. Now one other change we're going to make is that the office is not going to be available for waiting. So the office will remain closed. What we'd like you to do is to bring your key and put it right in this night drop box. You're going to take out an envelope, and if you'd fill it out for me, put your key in here, slide it in the very top part, and it'll go down in this locked area. Of course, we'll make an appointment by phone ahead of time, so we'll be expecting you. We'll know what you want to do, but still it helps to have more information. And then once we get the car, I'll give you a call. We can talk about what you want done. So the office will be closed. We'll be working by appointment only. And please use the night drop box. And we do have a limited pickup and delivery service. So if you don't want to leave your house, and you live in the area, you can call me, make an appointment. I'll come to your home. You'll give me your key. We'll bring your car in. We'll get it serviced for you or repaired. Then you can pay by phone. We'll return your car with the key. So during these uncertain times, I'm fairly certain you don't want to be using public transit. So it's still important to keep your car maintained and repaired. The government has considered us a essential service, so we're still open, and we're taking these precautions to keep you safe and us safe, and see if we can beat this virus. So don't forget, take care of your car. We'll keep you on the road. We'll serve you by caring for your car at Master Auto Tech. Thanks again, and give us a call.